Understanding, Being a Freeloader, a Guide to English Idioms. Hello everyone! In today's video, we're diving into a fascinating aspect of the English language, idioms. Specifically, we'll explore what it means to be described as being a freeloader. Idioms like this one add color and depth to our conversations, and understanding them is key to mastering English. So, whether you're learning English as a second language or just looking to polish your idiomatic knowledge, you're in the right place. Let's get started. Being a freeloader refers to the act of taking advantage of someone else's generosity or resources without giving anything in return. Imagine someone who always eats at their friend's house but never offers to bring food or help with the cooking. Or think of a person who lives with roommates but avoids paying their fair share of the rent or utility bills. These actions exemplify the behavior of a freeloader. Freeloaders often rely on others for food, shelter, money, or other benefits, usually under the assumption that these resources are freely given. However, the key aspect that makes someone a freeloader is their lack of reciprocity or contribution. To better understand the concept, let's look at some common scenarios where the term freeloader might be used. 1. Social settings. A person who frequently attends parties or gatherings only for free food and drinks, without ever hosting or contributing to such events. 2. Workplace. An employee who consistently avoids taking on their fair share of work, letting their coworkers pick up the slack. 3. Family and relationships. A family member who lives at home, enjoying the comforts and support of the household, without contributing to chores, expenses, or even attempting to gain independence. It's important to note that the perception of freeloaders can vary significantly across different cultures and communities. In some societies, the communal sharing of resources is a norm, and behaviors considered freeloading in one context may be perfectly acceptable in another. However, in cultures that value individual responsibility and reciprocity, being labeled a freeloader carries a negative connotation and can harm one's reputation and relationships. When using the phrase, being a freeloader, it's crucial to understand its connotations. It's often used in informal settings and can be perceived as judgmental or derogatory. Here are a few tips on using it appropriately. Be mindful of the context and your relationship with the person you're talking to. It's safer to use the term in discussions about hypothetical situations or characters in stories rather than directly accusing someone. Use it for humor or light-hearted teasing among close friends or family, where the intention is understood and not taken as an offense. In more serious discussions, it might be better to address specific behaviors rather than label someone with an idiom that could escalate conflicts. Understanding idioms like being a freeloader can greatly enhance your English communication skills, allowing you to express complex ideas succinctly and engage more deeply with native speakers. Remember, language is not just about grammar and vocabulary but also about the cultural and social nuances that give it life. We hope this video has been informative and enjoyable. Happy learning, and see you in our next video. Remember, mastering a language is about embracing its idiosyncrasies and learning to see the world from a different linguistic perspective. Keep practicing, stay curious, and you'll find yourself becoming more proficient every day. Thank you for watching.